Hey guys and welcome back, it's your TECHY here again. Ngayong araw may bago na naman tayong gadget na re-review, specifically a TWS earbuds of Soundpeats. This is the Soundpeats Free2 Classic right here, and I'm gonna be sharing with you what are my thoughts and opinion with regards to this TWS earbuds so that alam nyo kung ano yung i-expect nyo dito sa TWS earbuds na to ni Soundpeats. Before tayo magsimula, just a short message from our sponsor. CDKOffers.com is an all-in-one website where you could buy licensed keys. Just simply look for whichever software games you're looking for. Click on the buy now button. I know their licensed keys are already cheap, but want to make it cheaper? Simply enter DUDE20, which is an exclusive discount code that will give you a 20% discount from your purchases. Then enter your payment details and you should immediately receive the key once the payment has been confirmed. After receiving the key, you can then activate your software or games instantly. Going back, let's now go ahead and take a look at kung ano makukuha nyo straight out of the box of the Free2 Classic. Ayan naman, first opening the box, you'll be getting this charging case or the charging case of your TWS earbuds or nitong Soundpeats Free2 Classic. Ganito yung itsura nung earbuds kapag nakalagay siya dun sa charging case niya. And also you get this spare silicone earbuds that has varying size para ma-switch nyo dun sa earbuds niya. And also you get to have the charging connector as always, a Type-C one along with the package. The price of the Soundpeats Free2 Classic is around $1,599 or around $30. So this still falls on the budget TWS earbuds category. So let's na go ahead and take a look at kung ano mga features na meron dito sa TWS earbuds na to ni Soundpeats. With regards to the touch controls, napaka-responsive niya when using it, and I did not notice some sort of issues with regards to the sensitivity. And again, responsive siya. You won't have any difficulties with regards to using the touch controls of this TWS earbuds. With regards to the playtime of the TWS earbuds or the Free2 Classic, it lasted for more than 8 hours done. Actually, it claims only 8 hours, but I did not use it continuously on 8 hours duration, so most likely kaya siya lumampas within 8 hours. But knowing that this particular TWS earbuds is quite fairly compact, you know, it lasts up to 8 hours or more, that's already pretty impressive. You can not only use this Free2 Classic on gaming, actually magagamit mo rin siya sa mga day-to-day basis nyo, such as when you are doing some sort of exercise or outdoor activities, because this TWS earbuds comes with IPX5 waterproof rating. Ibig sabihin, as long as you don't submerge the TWS earbuds in water, you'll be safe from any sort of damage. Again, knowing that the price point of the TWS earbuds or the Free2 Classic is on the budget side, and it comes with also an IPX5 waterproof rating, is already an added feature on it to provide you more versatility when it comes to using your TWS earbuds. It also supports AAC and SBC audio codecs, comes with Bluetooth 5.1, and as you would have noticed, napaka-slick nung design niya, and the laser engravings on the case actually adds more premium look on the charging case and the overall the Free2 Classic Soundpeats earbuds. Looking at the actual TWS earbuds, I would say that I like the logo of Soundpeats being placed on the touch controls on the side of the TWS earbuds, as it does make the earbuds look quite minimalist. It also comes with a metal mesh on the side with an LED inside of it, and it's quite unique and an interesting design added on the Soundpeats Free2 Classic. When it comes to the size of the Free2 Classic, actually wala kayong magiging problema kasi napaka-compact and napaka-bulinggit niya lang. So hindi siya magiging issue na bulky siya or masakit sa tenga kapag ginagamit niyo siya pang matagalan, kasi again, it's quite fairly small and compact, and at the same time, ergonomically designed siya, so it would fit quite pretty comfortably on your ears even when used for long periods of time. Let's now talk about the audio quality that you should be expecting from this Free2 Classic ni Soundpeats. So what I noticed is that when playing at around 80% of the volume, I could actually barely hear any noise on the background. So I would say that it has some sort of passive noise reduction because of the design and the ergonomics of the TWS earbuds. Although it is not stated on the box that it has some sort of active noise cancellation unlike other models ni Soundpeats and other brands of TWS earbuds that are usually more expensive than this one, but I would say that because of the design of the TWS earbuds, it does a pretty good job in isolating the noise on your environment despite it having no active noise cancellation feature. Wala rin akong na-notice na some sort of delay or latency when it comes to playing despite it having no game mode. And based on my observation, this TWS earbuds doesn't actually focus merely on the bass. So don't expect too much on the bass of this one, although don't get me wrong kasi maganda pa rin yung bass niya, but it focuses more on the mids and highs, mainly the vocals and speeches when listening to music or even when gaming. Overall speaking, I would say that the Free2 Classic is still recommendable with all the premium features built in on this TWS earbuds despite it being on the budget category of TWS earbuds. I love the sleek, lightweight, and minimalist design of this TWS earbuds along with its good battery life performance and the audio quality that you will be getting from this TWS earbuds. Although it does not come with the most powerful bass out there, but for me, the audio profile that was used by Soundpeats on the Soundpeats Free2 Classic is quite good. They focus on the mids and the highs while still keeping the bass presence without overpowering the vocals and speeches with the bass frequencies or the lower frequencies. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you were able to get a lot of insights with regards to this video review with regards to the Soundpeats Free2 Classic. Or kung may mga gusto kayong itanong, just feel free to leave them down below and I will try to answer you out. If you want more tech stuff like this, hit that subscribe button down below. And I would appreciate it if you could hit that like button down below. Again, it's your Tech Edit here. See you in my next tech videos.